The Great Yonder is at this amazing location. It's in the hills of northern Hungary, surrounded by nature. And it's a super chill, small festival with open people and all kinds of really, really great music.
The Great Yonder is an event in a fairy tale-like location where guests and artists meet each other. This creates a personal concert experience.
The Great Yonder is a beautiful place to explore different music genres and to create music with each other.
Nagyon nyugis a fesztivál, gyertek ide!
You know, man, when I look around and see all the happy faces, I think for many, this is the best week of the year.